In this video, I'm going to show a simple example of an anonymous inner class. To make it easier to see what's going on, I'm going to use a different Java environment that allows you to put multiple classes in a single file and do a couple other things you shouldn't normally do when writing Java code. Don't do this at home. I'm just doing it so we can see everything at once to make it easier to understand. This is also not a typical way to use anonymous inner classes. Having said all this, everything I'm putting on the screen is still valid Java, although set up in a slightly non-standard way that most environments don't respond well to. First, we're going to define a simple cat class and a simple main class that uses it. So here's our cat class. And here is our main class. So let's just run it so that you can see the output. Now, my brother has a beautiful and friendly cat that can't quite say a normal meow. Her version is more of a yow. She's not a special breed or anything, she just can't talk right. We will use an anonymous class to represent this. So let's run it again so you can see the output, and then I will explain it some more. So as you can see, when Yalin meows, yow is printed, and when Lily, an ordinary cat, meows, meow is printed. So this is an anonymous inner class, and what I've highlighted right here is the class definition. So everything I've highlighted is the definition of the anonymous inner class. So to use an anonymous inner class, we write a normal object instantiation, like so, and in this case I'm also putting it in this variable that I'm declaring here. Except that instead of putting a semicolon after it, normally we'd have a semicolon right here, right? Instead of doing that, we put curly braces. And inside those curly braces, we define the anonymous class. This automatically makes the anonymous class a subclass of this class. I am going to post another video that will examine the syntax of an anonymous class more closely. But as you can see, we are essentially defining a class right here that is a cat, but has a special meow behavior. And what's really going on is that a class is being created right here. That class is not given any name by us. We call it an anonymous class. And that class is instantiated only with this instantiation right here. So we could read this as new subclass of cat where meow does system.out.println yow. Thank you.